G'day and welcome to Scheduled Reports page. If you're sick of running the same reports week in and week out, get sorted and schedule your reports. If you had a lot here, unlike me, you could use the search option. You could do a search through your filters. If you want to add a new report, you would simply click the plus button. I'm actually going to open one that we've got already created. The steps would be the same. You would choose your report, put in your description, choose your asset type, assign your asset role and your worksite. I've ticked these boxes again because that's all I want this report to run on, and then set your schedule. I've got mine set to run every Monday and land in my inbox at 6 a.m. Next, put in your email address, your subject and your subject body, and click Save. It is that easy to set up. Should you need to run a report before it's assigned due date and time, simply click the play button here and hit Run. And that's it. Your report is now on autopilot. Imagine your manager's getting an updated compliance report every single Monday without you lifting a finger.